Hi everybody, this is Jill for today. Thank you for coming into my kitchen. I am making zucchini pancakes today, and they really are very much my mother's recipe. And if you have zucchini there hanging out there, in the fall, this is a great way to use them. So let's get started on this recipe. What I have here is about a cup and a half of shredded zucchini. I drained this really well. I took it into a dish towel and I strained a lot of that water off there. So it's very, very dry. So I've got about a cup and a half in there, and I will put the recipe and the instructions down in the description box. So we have that zucchini that's been shredded, and I've got some flour. And then here's a combination of garlic powder, salt, pepper, and a little bit of baking powder. I'm going to put that in there. And then I have some very finely grated onion down in there. I'll get that in there. Okay. And then I'm going to have some cheese. This is some grated cheddar cheese. If you liked Parmesan cheese, you could use that, or Swiss cheese. But I'm using the grated cheddar cheese. That's going in there. And I'm going to give this a quick little mix here. Get that flour. Actually, it's nice that you get the flour all, coated and all that good stuff, the zucchini and all that. The zucchini is very dry. I squeezed it really, really well, so there's not a lot of moisture in there. Okay, so now I've got some beaten egg. This is my frozen eggs. If you want to find out how to freeze eggs, I've got a video. I'll put a link in there for you. So that's going in there. And we are going to mix this all up. We want just a nice combination of, well, you want, I don't know, I don't know how to tell you how it's going to look as far as the combination of, well, you'll see. I'm trying to figure out, what do you want to look at? It's kind of a pancake mix. I don't know how to describe it. You'll see it when I get it here. Here we go. We're getting it into there. See there, it's getting combined. Yeah, it's getting kind of a, help me, director. What am I trying to say? What does that look like? It's there we go. This is what I'm looking at. This is a nice, now I want to say paste, but a dough. Oh, God, I hate to use the word dough. Okay, that's what it looks like. Okay, the eggs in there, all of that, it's bound, but it's not, watery. It looks, yes, this is what we want. Just a nice combined, yes, there you go. That looks wonderful. That's what we want. I'm going to meet you over at the stove, and we're going to start cooking some zucchini pancakes. Here we are. I've got a pan heating up at a medium high, and I've got a combination of olive oil and butter. So the butter is going to give this delicious flavor, and the olive oil is going to hopefully keep it from burning. The butter will burn at a higher temperature. So that's, oh gosh, it smells so good. Okay, we're going to put a little zucchini pancake there. So I'm just getting a nice heavy tablespoon. I'm putting it in there. There we go. One more, so maybe three in this batch here. If you really wanted to get, you could take one of the scoops, ice cream scoops, and do it really, oh my gosh, these smell and look divine. I got 6 of them out of the recipe that I showed you. And, I told the director, some people say, oh, it's a health food thing. You don't want to have fat. You don't want to have whatever, ever. No, if you're going to do this sort of thing, do it right. And this is, I did it right. Little olive oil, little butter, frying them up, and they smell amazing. Now, I'm going to think a little sour cream would be in order. So, but that's just me. I want to take a little bite of this here. I'm going to give this to the director and ask him what he thinks. Oh, look at that. Look at the bottom. Oh my gosh. But tell me what you think of that. I still think a little bit of sour cream would be just awesome. How are we doing there? What do you think?
Very good.
Oh, very good. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. 2 thumbs up.
Oh, my. Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh. I don't think you need sour cream, but I don't know why I thought sour cream would taste good on those.
I'd try a little sour.
Yeah. Excellent recipe. This is, like I said, this is kind of my mom's recipe. She made zucchini pancakes over the years. You could do Parmesan cheese if you didn't like the cheddar. The cheddar is so good. Well, there you go. So zucchini and all that good stuff. It's a very easy recipe. Fry it, eat it. It's wonderful. All right. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Hit that thumbs up because I love those algorithms. Take care, everybody. We will see you later. Bye-bye.